Today's topic is image to app conversion. This is in continuation with my previous video about three concepts in Express Design. In my previous video, I explained about how to convert a REST API to an app. In this video, I'm going to show how to convert a sample image to an app automatically. Okay. So let's say I have a scenario like this is the sample image. Let's assume this is a sample image that a BA is coming up after the discussion with the client. So this is a sample wireframe that the BA is designing, just designing on a small paper. And now what I will show is how to convert this image into a canvas app. So like the labels, text boxes, all can be done automatically. Okay. So for this, we need to go to the home page of make.powerapps.com, and here we have this option called image preview. Click the image preview, and here it will show like generally it will just try to what kind of fields and what kind of drawings it will identify. We'll just try to expand. Okay, so click next. Now I'm going to give some name to my app. I can upload my own, and I can go with the start with the sample image. If you click start with the sample image, by default it gives you some images that are already pre-built. I'm selecting upload my own, choose file. I'm selecting the one I have on the desktop. I'm keeping the format as tablet. Click next. It takes some time based on the file we are using. See, now it is auto detecting whatever are the values or the fields that are part of the sheet that I uploaded. So it is asking me, so these things are highlighted. So basically it is asking us what kind of field is this. So what you can do is you can click here and you can select what type of field it is. I am selecting it as a label. Okay, and this one I'm selecting it as a label again. This one I'm selecting it as, just click it and it will show different controls. You can select whatever you want. I'm selecting label. This one again I'm selecting as label. This one I'm selecting as label, and this one I want it to be a text input. I'm selecting text input. Text input, text input. See, somehow it identified some area as some kind of control, but we don't want that, so I click it. I'm clicking delete tag. Okay, I selected everything. Now I'm clicking submit button, and I want it to be a button. Okay, so this is how you are going to tell to the form, but by default based on the color you can identify. See, this is the one text label, and if it is this color, it is identifying it as a slider. If you are okay with the color that it is marking, you can straight away go and click next. But if you want to modify the selections that it is made by default, then you have to go and do whatever I did just now. Click next. Okay, so now with the fields that I just selected, so it is asking you, do you want to create a new table in Dataverse with the fields, or you just want to skip it and you want to create your own database and you want to connect it to your Canvas app. So for now I want to create a new Dataverse. I'm selecting that, clicking next. So by default it created these columns. It is going to create this a table with these columns like employee details. It is saying it as a number, employee ID text, employee first name text, employee location text. So all these things are automatically getting created for you. Okay, so what I will do is clicking next again. Here if you want you can change the name of the table. Okay, I'm just keeping it as is. So you can give a primary column name as well. I'm clicking save, click create. Don't worry, it takes some time because everything it's trying to do for you on the fly. Okay, so now you can see it created everything for you. I didn't do anything, I didn't drag any control, and I made a connection. And if you go here, you can see the database connection is also made for you, and even the submit form function is also called here. Okay, so somehow I think it identified it as a slider, that's why it created a slider, but that should be fine. So still you can modify the canvas app. Okay, and if I just click and if I, yeah, this is how the form will look for you. Let me check if it works. Just clicking OK. Now let me go back to the table. To see if the data is there or not. My table name is test image to app. Yeah, that's cool. So I can see the value that I entered. Okay, see, you can see the first name. I'm just enabling the first name location as well. Yeah, all the values that I just earlier did I submit, they're getting saved directly. Okay, so looks cool, right? Like I'm not doing any coding here, so everything is converting from a sample image file. So in the same fashion, you can have any image that can be having sample maybe some kind of complex drawings, complex text boxes, labels and all. Still our automatic AI technology in Power Apps is capable of converting it to a proper canvas app. And you always have a chance to modify the canvas app that is auto generated for you, and you can add your new controls to it and add your new logic to it as well. So that's the end of the video. My next video will be on Figma 2 app, and thanks for your time. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.